All right, here is a quick video on how to use the space customizer. So you'll see that we have a bunch of different images that we've already pulled up. So I'm going to show you how to do it from the start. So if you look at your watch and then aim your right ray at it, then go down to edit scene right here. Use that top click. And then from here, you'll see our props list. You can do a scene menu. These are the different ones that we've already done. So if you click on those, then you could edit those that way. But to insert a new image, we'll go to the props menu on the right. And then this top left one, it's called borderless frame. If you click that, then you'll see that this is here. And if you just click on it using that top trigger, you can move it around. And then if you use the two grab triggers, those green grab triggers, grab them from the corners, you can adjust the size. So we have this here. And then we'll go into object menu. So this square is highlighted, so we're working with this object. And then here is all those images that we have uploaded onto the dashboard, and you can just go to shared. So then you will see these new images pop up, and then I will put this one in here. So just click on it using that top pointer finger. And here you see we have this lovely picture. And then to adjust it and move it around, you'll just use those green grab triggers and kind of move it to where you want it to go. So the middle one will adjust it forward and back. The corners will do the size. So if you want to put it up against the wall, you just kind of grab it using that middle finger grab. And then we can kind of turn it, put it where you want, but you want it to be as close to the wall as you can possibly get. And then we'll kind of adjust it this way. So I'm going to make it bigger than the frame. And you can kind of just play with it and get it exactly where you want. If you push it a little bit too far, you'll see that the frame pops through. So you want to just barely in front of it. And then we'll use those middle finger grabs to make it pretty large. And then if you see from the side, it's right in front of the frame. This one's pretty good right in front of that frame too. So you can, adjust it exactly right there. And then that is how you do it. So then once you are finished, then you can just hit the exit and it will stay right there. And then for this one, so to move them around, you can go back into your edit scene and then go into your scene menu, which is going to be right here. And then you'll see that there's a different borderless frame. So once you click on it, you'll see which one is highlighted, so which one would be adjusted. So there's that one. And then, or you can just click on this as well. So, and then you can put them wherever, if you want to put them on the ceiling, which would be pretty cool, and so forth. And then you're finished.